If your team is managing hundreds of chats, finding the right ones quickly can be a challenge. Labels in Periskope let you organize and categorize your chats, so you can segment conversations by topic, priority, customer type, or anything that works for your team. In this video, we'll show you how to create labels, apply them, and use them to stay on top of your inbox. To create a label, go to Settings from the left sidebar, click on Labels under the Organization section, and then click Create Chat Label. Give it a name, choose a color, and click Save Label. Your label is now ready to use across your entire workspace. Open any chat and go to the Overview tab in the right panel. Find the Label section and click to add a label. You can apply multiple labels to the same chat at the same time. For example, a chat can be labeled both demo and client simultaneously. Once labels are applied, you can filter your inbox by them. Go to the Chat section, click the filter icon at the top, select Labels as your filter condition, and choose the label you want. Only chats with that label will appear, making it easy to focus on exactly the conversations you need. Labels become even more powerful when you combine them with the Org Assistant. Instead of manually going through chats one by one, you can just say, "Assign all chats labeled demo to me." And it's done instantly. Labels keep your workspace organized and your team focused on the right conversations. Get started today. The link is in the description.